Hello, if you want to perform factory reset of your Poco C75, then first of all, you will have to switch off your phone. So in my case, I'm just gonna click and hold the power key, swipe up to power off. And when the screen goes black, you will have to click and hold on power key and volume up button. Take a look. Power key, volume up button. When you feel vibration and when you got Poco logo on the screen, you will have to release power key just right now and keep holding this volume up button all the time. Now wait for a few seconds until recovery mode pops up. Now you will have to click on the volume down button, select wipe data with power key, scroll to wipe all data with power key, scroll to confirm, click power key, and now just wait until you hit right here 99%. And after this, you will have to just confirm with this power key one more time that you want to reboot your phone, and the reset is actually complete. Thanks for watching.